How to remove Shopify Express Checkout 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can remove Express Checkout in Shopify in 2024 in the easiest and most simplest ways possible, okay? So to do this, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to our Shopify, okay? And in our Shopify section, what we are going to want to do to remove our Express Checkout is we are going to want to make sure to go to online store. Okay. Once you go to online store, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to go into the edit code section. Okay. So that is what we're going to need to do. We're going to go into the editorial sections where we're going to edit the codes. So click here, go on edit code. Now, once you've gone to edit code, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to search files and you're going to write cart, okay? And it's going to give you main cart footer liquid. So once you go here, you are going to want to find the if additional checkout buttons. So if you can't find it normally it should be on line 80 or somewhere like that. But if you can't find it normally, as I said, around line 80. So here it is. So you have this if additional. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to cut this out of the code. And once you cut this out of the code, you're pretty much good to go. Okay. So let me show you what it gives you now. So once you remove that line, simply click on save. It might cause an issue because, schema tag, which is basically N4, was removed. So you can, go ahead and write the N4 loop down here if you want to. So, I can just remove this from here. And once that is done, click on save, and that should fix the things. Okay, so that removes the Express Checkout on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.